knock me down, I'ma get on up. Top speed when you hit the ground, just get on up when you get knocked down. Gotta jump right in no matter what. If you knock me down, I'ma get on up. Top speed when you hit the ground, just get on up when you get knocked down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Miss Naturally Mary here, and if you are new, you're going to want to subscribe after this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys natural hairstyles for you to try now, and these are updos. And guys, you can try them whether you have short, medium, or long hair. This is my type 4 natural hair. It is on the short to medium side, but even if your hair is shorter than this, don't worry. I'm going to show you guys how you can do these hairstyles with your own natural hair if it's long enough, or if it's short, don't worry, I got you, girl. So it's the summertime and many of us do not want our hair on our neck, so updos are going to be perfect for that. Now, some of us might need a little help with these hairstyles because our hair isn't long enough. So I'm going to be showing you guys a drawstring ponytail as well as a drawstring puff. And these are human hair drawstring ponytails, and these are by HerGivenHair. Y'all know I love their coily texture. I have the drawstring ponytail in length 18 and I have the puff in length 8. Now, right out of the package, I ain't gonna lie, this puff looks a little crazy. But once you apply some water and some conditioner on the hair and apply your products, y'all, the curls wake up and they look so lush. So this is the inside construction. It has a very breathable area in the center. There are 2 combs, one at the top, one at the bottom, and then you have your drawstring at the bottom. So we're going to define the curls in a moment, but I do want to show you guys the drawstring ponytail as well. This one looks much better right out of the package. It is a longer length. This one is in length 18, and I did also get mine dyed. Mine is in color 1B, and there is an upcharge for that, but you can just dye it yourself if you don't desire to pay the additional fee. This one has the same construction as the puff. Now let's move on to washing and defining the curls. Now, y'all already know what we're going to be using in order to co-wash. I'm going to be using the Aussie 7-in-1 Miracle Conditioner. I love this stuff. I'm also going to be using my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush. I'll be sure to link these down below. You guys be sure to check out my Amazon store as well. I have everything linked that I use. Now I'm going to demonstrate the co-washing process, and I'll come back on when we move on to the next step.
Lost my way, I took a wrong turn, was living in vain, the only thing doing me right was you. But you lost your patience, you won't make amends, your love went away, I promise I'm bringing it back again. Oh, I believe we're something special, we're something special. Oh, could be what you need, nothing to question. No, I will do it all for you. I will do it all for you. I will do it all for you. I know you can't face me, 'cause your feelings changed. But now I'm awake and baby I'm turning the dust to flames. I know you've been lonely, so just give me a chance. Let me show you how much I adore you in all of the ways I can.
In a moment, I'm going to rinse the conditioner out. These are the stylers that I'll be using. The Curl Defining Glaze by Dark and Lovely, and also the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream. I love this combination together. So now I'm going to rinse the conditioner out, and then I'll begin applying my stylers and further defining the curls and allowing them to air dry overnight. Now, a really good tip that I discovered in order to air dry the drawstring ponytails is to take the drawstring and put it on a hanger, and this will allow for even distribution of the air to get to the hair so that it dries overnight. Now it's the next day and the ponytails have had enough time to dry. They look so good. The hair is shiny, it's defined, and I cannot wait to install them. I'm going to show you guys how I prep my natural hair first, and then I'll begin installing the hair and showing you all some styles. So I don't currently have any product on my edges or anything, which is quite rare, but I'm going to show you guys step by step how I go about slicking down my type 4 natural hair. I start by using the curl defining glaze first, and I like to do this in order to moisturize my hair first, and this allows for my hair to also have a great deal of shine. And then I like to follow it up with the Eco Styler gel with olive oil to get my hair nice and sleek, and I use a boar bristle brush in order to do so. So the first step is to begin gathering my hair into a ponytail that isn't tight, and then I'm going to layer the products onto my hair. I'm going to use my brush in order to get everything nice and sleek. I'm also going to work on my baby hair, and I like to use these ouchless goodie bands in order to secure my hair in place. So I'm going to allow you all to watch this process, and then I'll come back on when we move on to the next step.
Je vide les machines, mixe des platines, je te taquine, tu aimes ça? Oui, tu aimes ça. Fine mais aussi maline, pas très facile, un peu fragile, mais tu aimes ça? Oui, tu aimes ça. Ready now, ready now, ready now, ready, no time for siesta. Running town, running town, running town, running all eyes on me, yes sir, yes sir. Mixe des platines, je te taquine, tu aimes ça? Oui, tu aimes ça. Oui, tu aimes ça. Je sais que tu aimes ça. Mais si tu veux un anneau, moi c'est pas mon style, je veux être libre, oui j'aime ça. Et c'est comme ça. Ready now, ready now, ready now, ready, no time for siesta.
Now, so that this is a protective style, I am going to moisturize my hair first, and then I'm going to begin to twist it up and then pin it down and begin installing the ponytails.
Here with the squad, everybody tryna go, yeah, the party jumping off, hey, we putting on a show, tryna catch a vibe, we do this every time, like, na 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 na, feeling like I'm on the highway, cause everything been going my way, and now they looking at me sideways, I'm like, na 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 na.
Now, in order to make my edges look fuller, I like to add Topic, which is a brand that has hair building fibers, which create a fuller, flawless look. And that's what I love. So that's what I'm going to be adding. My edges are actually okay, but if you're somebody who struggles with thinning edges, I definitely recommend this product. It's so easy to apply, and I've just been doing this a lot lately, especially when I do my sleek low ponytails or my high ponytails. It's just a really nice finishing touch.
This is where I wanna be, nah, nah, nah. Never ever gonna leave, nah, nah, nah. You ain't gonna get it from me. I'm like, nah, 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 nah. This is where I wanna stay, nah, nah, nah. I could do this every day, nah, nah, nah. It don't matter what they say. I'm like, nah, 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 nah. Say, hey, I've been on the wave.
Now it's time to install the drawstring ponytails. So I'm going to start with the puff first, and you want to ensure that the drawstring is at the bottom. So you're going to insert the comb at the top first. Covering the bun that you created, you're going to insert the comb at the bottom behind the bun. and then you're going to tighten the drawstring and then wrap that around, and then you're going to pin it in place using a bobby pin.
Party make the toast, it's a party every day. So anywhere you go, all across the coast, we do it every time like na 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 na. I got nothing but the highlights. Can't believe that this is my life. I'm only living on the bright side. I'm like na 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 na. This is where I wanna be. Na na na. Never ever gonna leave. Na na na. You ain't gonna get it from me. I'm like na 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 na. This is where I wanna stay. Na na na. I could do this every day. Na na na. It don't matter what they say. I'm like na 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 na. You better know we ain't never going home. Ain't never going home. You better know we ain't never going home. Ain't never going home. You better know we ain't never going home. Ain't never going home. You better know we ain't never going home. Ain't never going home.
Y'all can't tell me this don't look natural. This looks like every bit of it is mine. Give me a few more months though. My natural hair will be here. I believe it's gonna happen. But now we're gonna move into the drawstring ponytail. I'm gonna show you guys some really cute styles that I was able to achieve with the pony that don't even look like it's a ponytail. But let's get into it.
I'm having the time of my life. Everything is going alright. Ooh, I just made them look twice. This is how it feels when you living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life.
Y'all, this style I created on accident and I was like, ooh, that looks so cute. Let's keep that. We're gonna go with that. Yeah, so good.
I'm just living that good, good life. Good, good life. I'ma do me, I can't do it no different. Gold shades tinted, yeah, I got the right vision, yeah. I won't let you down, we about to paint the town. Got the people all around, we been surfing on the crown, yeah. We them cool kids with the roof down, yeah, we let loose, so lighten up, break the rules now.
If you want to make sure that the style is a bit more tame, you can add a bobby pin to the back as well as to the front, and it's going to look so great.
Yeah, we wild out the house with the tunes loud. On top of the clouds, looking around. Yo, how we ever getting down? Oh, I'm just going with the flow. Hey, you just gotta let me know. I think that it's about that time to go. One time for the gram, no. Go ahead, strike the pose. Got the city on lock. They ain't seen nothing like it. Got the whole spot popping. Ooh, it gets so exciting. Had the time of your life. Can I get that in writing? Hey, and tell them everybody invited. I'm having the time of my life. Everything is going alright. Ooh, I just made them look twice. This is how it feels when you living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. Good, good life. It's not exaggerated, I just had to say it. Look how we graduated. I'm so glad you made it, cause we got all that we wanted. Couldn't hate if they wanted to. We live it without a limit. Yeah, we do what we wanna do now. Throw your hands up one time. They think that we lost our minds. Well, maybe we did. Maybe that's just how we live. Maybe that's all that we want. Maybe it is what it is. Cause we're just living our life. That's a life we're living. We're just living our life. That's a life. I'm having the time of my life. Everything is going alright. Ooh, I just made them look twice. This is how it feels when you living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. Good, good life.
Now, this style is definitely one of my favorites. I cannot wait to hear what y'all think about this one. And it was so easy to do. It's so bomb. And I'm going to add some accessories in a moment so that it could potentially be a style that you can wear to a wedding. Ideas, ideas. I love it.
Pick of the litter against the strongest I'm alive and remain a victor. My battle scars that show that I am far from a quitter. Went through it all and I'm still striving, that makes me a winner. When it's me versus the globe, with my back to the wall, when at my lowest of lows, still I put up a brawl. Was never in me to fold, never in me to fall. So when my story is told, they'll say I gave it my all. Raised in the jungle, struggle, still I survive. Came from the rubble, so you know my stars align. For me to be on top of the world before my demise, I put it all in my mind, whatever I want is mine. I'm blessed with a dream, that's all I got, that's all I need. I'm gonna be wherever I wanna be. Trust the process and believe, if I use my mind then I'll achieve. I'm gonna be wherever I wanna be. I used to think the sky's the limit then. Eliminated that and I became limitless. Defy the odds, pushing far beyond what limit is. See, my spirit is just unlimited, only the grace can witness it. Challenges have forced me to be greater. Apply myself and chance will always be in my favor. With a whole team full of women.
Y'all, this style is another one of my favorites. This whole entire video, like, if y'all didn't like this video, I don't even know what I'm doing here. Like, this video was so good. I was so shocked that I was able to achieve these styles with a drawstring ponytail, and it looks so natural. It looks like it's my hair. It looks so great, and these are going to become a staple for the summer. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to share this video with a friend. Also follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. Check the description. I'll have all the links and specifications for the puff and for the ponytail. I love you guys. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Let me know which style is your favorite. I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.